beautiful families. Welcome to the Love Doula Services YouTube channel. If you're expecting, one of the tasks you'll need to prepare for is packing your hospital bag for labor and childbirth. Pro tip, even if you're planning a home birth, it is a good idea to pack a hospital bag in the event of an unexpected transfer. Today we're here to guide you through what to bring to ensure that you have everything you need to feel supported, comfortable, and prepared for your big day. Comfort is key for both you and your partner. That's one of the first things we love to share with our clients. You'll want to pack a few items to help you feel cozy during labor and the immediate postpartum period. A soft, breathable robe or pajamas are a great option. Layers work well because our body temperature can fluctuate quite a bit throughout labor and the immediate postpartum period, and you want to bring a comfortable, non-constrictive going home outfit. Some additional items to bring: a nursing bra, a pair of shower slides, slippers with non-slip bottoms, and warm socks. If items such as your favorite pillow bring you comfort, bring one, but keep in mind it can get dirty in the birthing process. Hospital pillows are often a bit flat, and having your own pillow can make a huge difference. Next up, toiletries. You'll want to freshen up during and after labor and postpartum, so pack some essentials like a toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and dry shampoo. Your skincare makeup items are essential. Lip balm is a must for many parents, and the hospital setting can be quite dry, so any moisturizer or eye drops will need to be packed as well. If you have a preference in regards to your postpartum pads, peri bottles, and other intimate care items, pack those as well, but the hospital will have these available for you. Don't forget your extra contacts and/or glasses. We highly recommend to pack a grab-and-go snack bag such as protein bars, nuts, and even some fresh fruit. If you have a favorite refillable water bottle, add that to your bag, as hydration is key during labor, birth, and the postpartum process. Entertainment. Some parents opt to bring their iPad to watch shows or movies or read a Kindle. Labor can be long, and if you're looking for ways to pass the time, these are great options. Additional electronics, such as your camera to document the experience, and extra charging cords for your phones and handheld devices. Now let's talk about what you'll need for the baby. Be sure to pack a couple of various sized onesies, hats, and socks. Hospitals will provide some basics, but it's always nice to have your own clothing for baby's first photos. The hospital will have receiving blankets, but some of my clients prefer to pack their own. If you plan to breastfeed, a nursing pillow can provide extra support and can be left in the car until you're ready to be moved into your postpartum recovery room. Finally, remember to pack any important documents, such as your ID, insurance information, and a copy of your birth preferences. It's always a good idea to check with your hospital to see if there are any specific items they recommend or provide. Those are the hospital bag essentials we recommend to our clients. Remember to pack the necessities, but don't feel like you need to overpack, as the hospitals do have many items that you will need. If you have a suitcase that you would need to be checked in at the airport, you probably overpacked. And the challenge with overpacking is having to move all of your belongings from your laboring suite to your postpartum room. We hope this guide helps you feel more confident and ready for your birth journey. We have included a direct link to the hospital bag checklist in the details below. Make sure to download and print. Now is a great time to check this off your to-do list. If you have any questions or need support, don't hesitate to reach out to us here at Love Doula Services. Please like and subscribe for more helpful tips and support from the Love Doula Services team. You've got this, and we're here to support you every step of the way.